Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz Coupe. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.